Have you ever considered the impact your sleeping position can have on your health? Imagine this. A simple switch, like sleeping on your left side, could ease anxiety and significantly enhance your quality of life. Today, we'll explore 5 incredible reasons why adopting this position might just be a secret weapon for those struggling with anxiety. Get ready to learn how a minor tweak to your nightly routine can bring tremendous benefits. By the end, we'll share valuable tips on implementing this position to transform your night. 1. Improvement in digestion. You've probably heard that small changes can have big impacts, right? Let me tell you how something as simple as your sleeping position can positively affect your health. Sleeping on your left side, for instance, can do wonders for your digestion. Here's why. Our gastrointestinal tract is configured in a way that favors this position. Lying on the left side aids the work of gravity in moving food through the stomach and intestines. This is because the opening from the stomach to the small intestine aligns in such a way that, when you sleep on your left side, digestion becomes more efficient. Imagine it's like a slide where food glides more smoothly through the curve of your digestive system. To give you a clear example, think about how you feel when you eat a bit too much at night and head straight to bed. If you sleep on your right side or back, you might end up feeling discomfort or even bloating. But if you try turning to your left side, you might notice that this heavy feeling significantly diminishes. This is because you're helping your body better process what you ate without overburdening the system. While this position is a small adjustment to how you sleep, it has the potential to significantly improve your nights. Fewer disruptions from digestive discomfort mean a more restful sleep. And a good night's rest is essential not only for the body to recover, but also to keep your mind calm. Speaking of keeping the mind calm, this leads me to another significant benefit of sleeping on the left side, especially if you have issues with acid reflux. But more on that in the next section. 2. Reduction of acid reflux. Continuing our discussion on the benefits of sleeping on the left side, let's talk about a rather troublesome issue that affects many people: acid reflux. If you've ever suffered from it, you know how disturbing it can be, especially at night. When we lie down, especially after a meal, stomach acid that should stay in the stomach sometimes escapes to the esophagus, mainly if you sleep on your back or right side. This happens because in those positions, it's easier for the acid to travel upwards against gravity. However, sleeping on the left side can be a game changer. The explanation is quite simple. The anatomy of our stomach, which is angled and connects to the esophagus on the right side. When you sleep on the left side, the stomach lies below the esophagus, making it harder for the acid to travel up. It's like setting up a natural barrier against reflux. Imagine this scenario. You've had a dinner you love but know could cause you reflux. By choosing to sleep on the left side, you're likely to have a more peaceful night without the burning discomfort that reflux brings. It's a small adjustment in your nighttime routine that can significantly reduce sleep disruptions, allowing for better rest. And speaking of better rest, this benefit ties directly into the next topic I want to address with you: improvement in blood circulation. After all, good rest influences not just how well you feel in the morning, but also how your body functions internally, which includes blood flow through your veins and arteries. Let's delve more into that in the next part of our talk. 3. Improvement in blood circulation. Now that we've discussed how sleeping on the left side can assist with digestion and acid reflux, let's explore another crucial benefit: improved blood circulation. This is a fundamental aspect of our health that often doesn't receive the attention it deserves, especially if you're looking for ways to alleviate anxiety and enhance overall well-being. When we sleep on the left side, our heart has an easier time pumping blood. This is because this position aids the venous drainage back to the heart via the inferior vena cava, which is located on the right side of the body. Facilitating this path back to the heart means it doesn't have to work as hard. Think of it this way. If you're lying in a way that naturally aids blood flow, your body doesn't have to exert extra effort. This translates to less stress on your heart and an improvement in overall circulation. Efficient circulation is crucial as it transports oxygen and essential nutrients to all parts of the body, including the brain, which can help regulate your mood and reduce anxiety. Moreover, Good circulation helps prevent swelling in the legs and feet, issues that can be common for many people, especially those with a more sedentary lifestyle or who stand for long hours during the day. But it's not just circulation that benefits. The position we sleep in can also directly affect the heart, a vital organ that has its own chapter when we talk about health. In the next segment, we'll delve into how sleeping on the left side can be beneficial for your heart, especially if you're trying to manage stress and anxiety in a healthy way. 4. Benefits for the heart. Continuing our discussion on health while sleeping on the left side, let's now focus on one of the most essential organs in our body, the heart. The position in which we sleep can have a significant impact on cardiovascular health, especially for those looking for ways to manage anxiety and improve overall well-being. Sleeping on the left side can relieve pressure on the heart. You might be wondering how a simple change of position can do that. Well, when you lie on the left side, the heart is positioned in such a way that it facilitates blood circulation. This is because this position allows gravity to assist the heart in the pumping process, reducing the effort needed to send blood through the veins and back to the heart. This benefit is particularly important for those suffering from anxiety, as constant stress and worry can increase blood pressure and put extra load on the heart. By sleeping on the left side, you not only support the natural function of your heart, but also may help reduce stress levels overnight, leading to better, more restorative sleep. Additionally, maintaining heart health in optimal conditions is vital for longevity and quality of life. A healthy heart means a lower risk of cardiovascular diseases, which are among the leading causes of death worldwide. Now, relating heart health to another crucial system in our body, the next topic I want to address is the lymphatic system. Like the cardiovascular system, the lymphatic system plays a key role in maintaining our health and well-being, especially in how we process and eliminate toxins from our body. 5. Impact on the nervous system and anxiety relief. So now that you know how sleeping on the left side can aid your digestion and circulation, let's talk a bit about how it can calm your nervous system and consequently relieve anxiety. It might be surprising, but the position we sleep in directly influences how our body responds to stress. The parasympathetic nervous system, responsible for relaxing the body and calming the mind, is activated more effectively when we sleep on the left side. This position facilitates deeper and more regular breathing, which is essential for stimulating the body's rest and digest state. This happens because the diaphragm has more space to expand, which not only facilitates breathing, but also the overall parasympathetic function. Imagine that by adopting this position, you're giving your body a chance to reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone. Deeper, more restorative nights of sleep are a direct result of this simple change. Many of my friends and people I know have reported that, after making this switch, they felt a significant decrease in their daily anxiety and stress levels. Additionally, this position can be a great ally for those suffering from insomnia or sleep disorders related to anxiety. Sleeping on the left side can help stabilize mood and promote a general sense of well-being, making it easier to fall asleep and maintain sleep throughout the night. And now, knowing how all this works, you might be wondering how you can start making this change, right? You'll have practical tips that can help you adapt to sleeping on the left side so you can truly experience all these benefits. Let's go. 6. Tips for adapting to sleeping on the left side. Changing the side we sleep on can feel strange at first, especially if you're used to sleeping in another way. But don't worry, I'm going to share some tips that made this transition much easier for me, and I'm sure they can help you too. First, it's important to create an environment that supports this new sleeping position. You can start by using pillows to help maintain the position throughout the night. A pillow between your legs can relieve pressure on your hips and keep your spine aligned. Another pillow behind your back can prevent you from rolling back involuntarily. This barrier can be incredibly helpful in the first few weeks while your body adjusts. Another tip is to prepare for sleep in a way that facilitates this position. Avoid heavy meals or consuming stimulating beverages close to bedtime. A calm digestion and an unstimulated body are crucial for restorative sleep. Additionally, creating a relaxing bedtime routine like reading a book or taking a warm bath can prepare your body and mind for a good night's rest. Patience is key here. It may take some time until you feel completely comfortable sleeping on the left side, but with persistence, your body will adapt, and you'll start noticing improvements in the quality of your sleep and a reduction in stress and anxiety. Now that you know the 5 reasons and amazing tips for sleeping on the left side, especially if you deal with anxiety, why not try this simple change in your routine? In addition to boosting your physical health, you might discover significant improvements in your emotional well-being. Remember, small adjustments in our daily habits can have large impacts on our health and quality of life. Try this change and see if you notice improvements in your overall well-being. And of course, keep following for more tips on how to live a healthier and happier life. Until the next video, sleep well.